Okay, today is May 24, Thursday. This is from the street. That's the entrance door. Now I'm coming to the door where I live. Now I am here. I open the door. Now I am here, and then this is the lobby where I live. There is a security guard. Is waiting, visitors waiting, and we are all senior citizen. And then I am now entering the area. From there, I'm going to tour you. From there, we will walk inside. 1 second. Yeah, from there, we will walk over here. And now we have a lunchroom area. You can celebrate your birthday here. This is the place, and there's a bathroom on the ground floor. Over here, this is the room, the lunchroom. We have a lunchroom area. It's a quite big. Recreation, bingo, mahjong, birthday food here, lunchroom. We have a piano. This is the party room, meeting room, lunchroom. Is for senior citizens. Now we will from here. We have elevator. That's the exit there for going to parking lot. And these are the elevator. Now these are the mailbox. Did you see the mailbox? And my name is there. Gopez. Did you see my name? Gopez, Mila, and Gopez A, Amelia. The other one is Mila, 703. This is the mailbox. That's the elevator. We're going up. From here, the other side we go. Now, this is elevator. Let's open. Okay, I turn off 3 minutes.